stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Halo semuanya, terima kasih udah berkunjung ke channel aku. So today I'm gonna do a room tour video tentang kamar aku yang baru aja di makeover. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and without any further ado, let's get started. Ini adalah hal pertama yang akan kalian lihat saat kalian baru masuk. And I just put a hanging rack on it, just to put my keys on. I also put a fake plant here, just to make it more natural. Menurut aku, kombinasi antara tanaman dan material kayu that will never be fail kan. What do you think? Tulis di komen ya. Now, moving down, that's all my shoes boxes. There's nothing special there, but I love the color. And here's the bedroom, but we'll see it later. And when you walk a little bit, here's what you see. But let's start over here. So this is my little washing machine. Let me tell you something about it. Jadi mesin cuci ini aku taruh sini kalau lagi nggak pakai. But when I needed to wash my clothes, then I have to move it here. Karena sumber airnya came from the bathroom, so I have to move it here, and then put it back, then move it here. Not living in a tiny space, we have to be flexible, right? Lagi pula ini juga nggak berat. Aku nyuci juga like once per week, so it's not a big deal for me. Sekarang kita ke bagian sini. Jadi ini kulkas kecil aku. It has a multifunctional purpose karena bagian atasnya bisa jadi table and tableware here. It has the same color vibes. I just so in love with this part because banyak wooden material di sini dan ada tanaman-tanaman gitu, even though it's all fake sih. Okay, if you curious what's inside, there's nothing much here. Cuma ada telur, cereal, oatmeal, low-fat milk, fruit, that's it. Kayak menu diet ya. Padahal sarapannya uduk-uduk juga. Let's move in here. Ini adalah galon. Jadi dulu aku pakai dispenser, but ternyata I'm not really using it. Also consume a lot of electricity, jadi nggak efisien gitu. So now I'm just filling it up with these little machines. It's very practical and efficient. Love you little pump. Kemudian di atas sini ada topi pantai aku yang sebenarnya mau aku simpen di lemari sih. Tapi karena terlalu gede, aku takut ini rusak. So I just hang in there. And surprisingly, it could be a decoration item kan. Kayak it's pretty cute being there, right? And then next to it, here's my desk area. I bring a Scandinavian style into it. Bisa terlihat dari floating shelf yang aku gunakan di sini, dan juga cara peletakan frame yang menyandar begitu saja di dinding. Lalu peletakan tanaman selain menyegarkan mata juga bisa memberikan efek positif di area kerja. Dan aku juga pasang hiasan kawat di sini. And I put some photos here, a cute picture that I got from Google, a sunglasses, dan di sini juga ada raknya to put something like this. Ini aku punya buku yang aku beli cuma karena covernya lucu. Lucu banget kan? Such a happy couple there. Kalian pernah nggak beli barang lucu padahal nggak tahu buat apa? Dan kemudian di sini laptop, as you can see, and the chair I got it from IKEA. That's it. By the way, frame ini aku bikin sendiri guys. And if you want me to do the tutorial about it, just write your comment down below. Tapi kalau kalian males bikin dan cuma pengen beli jadi, I'll put my link down here. Jangan lupa di follow, and kalau kalian minat, you can just discuss with me di Instagram. Now let's moving to the bed area. That is the biggest part of this room. Kita mulai dari sini. This is my rug. Dan meskipun ini synthetic fur, but it's really soft. It's just very comfortable to sit on here. Dan bagian ini adalah perlengkapan sholat aku. Rak ini aku bikin sendiri, it's my DIY. Kalau kalian minat, just contact me ya on Instagram. Dan ini dia bookshelf aku. I'm not a big fan of books actually, so it's all I have. Dikit banget kan. Salah satunya dictionary ini I've been keep them like from 10 years ago I think. And it's still in a good condition so I just keep them here. Dan sedikit novel dari my favorite writer. Moving down, it's files, and Quran. A little boxes here to keep all my small items. Itu tips dari aku juga ya. Jadi kalau kalian punya perintilan atau barang-barang kecil yang biasanya suka nyelip atau susah dicari, you better keep them on the boxes so akan lebih rapi dan lebih mudah dicarikan. Aku mau cerita bentar yang ini. So this is my favorite box. It's a compartment box. As you can see, ada banyak sekat-sekat di sini. And I'm using it for my DIY stuffs yang kecil-kecil. So it looks more organized and easier to find anything here. So yeah, that's why I love it. And I got it from Mr. DIY by the way. Kemudian di bagian atas bookshelf ini, I just put some decorative stuffs on it, such as plants and a frame with a vintage vibes on it. I also put a little bohemian touch around here by putting this macrame hanging wall. It's just very cute and decorative. I just love it too. So yeah, I think that's all about everything in my favorite corner. Then moving here, this is one of my favorite too. I just love this spot very much. Ini juga buatan aku sendiri. That's my DIY. And if you guys want to customize your own, just feel free to contact me on Instagram. And yeah, let's discuss about it. Then moving down, here's my bed. Jadi kalau kalian lihat dari depan, it looks like it's a real divan, right? Itu kayak dipan kayu kan guys. Sekarang kita lihat closer. Nih, I gotcha. Jadi ini bukan real divan guys. It's a wall sticker, which has an emboss here. Ini kayak 3D gitu guys. Jadi it gave us an illustration seolah-olah ini real, but it's not of course. But I love it too. Sekarang kita bahas spraynya ya guys. Kenapa putih? Jadi selain karena banyak hotel yang menggunakan spray putih, spray putih ini juga merupakan warna netral guys. So it will give you more options about choosing your pillows, your cushions. Milih warnanya dan bentuknya itu bisa lebih banyak pilihan gitu. Bentuknya sih kotak-kotak aja sih. Apa ya? Like choose the color and the pattern maybe. Dan kemudian di pojok sana aku juga taruh standing pot. It's a fake plant too to give more natural vibes around here. Alright, sekarang kita ke sebelah sini dan ini tembok ini masih polos. Aku masih nggak tahu motor apa. And if you guys have any idea, please tulis di comment. I would love to read them. And here's my TV rack. It's very flexible because it has a wheel on it. So kalau mau nonton TV tuh I'll just pull it here. Nah, jadi gini kalau mau main laptop di bawah. Pokoknya it's just very flexible. Okay, now let's talk about my drawer here. Kita bahas dari atas ya. So that's clock. Everyone know it's clock. Kemudian di bawahnya ini Professor Lamp. Ini juga lagi ngehits tahu aku. Kalau mau cari di mana-mana ada, di Informa, IKEA, Ace Hardware. Semuanya banyak modelan kayak gini, tapi ini aku beli online sih. Here's my blooded speaker. Alright, let's see what's inside. And the first one is stok makanan aku. Nggak banyak juga because I'm not eating instant food like that much. And the second one, it's all my tangible. Ya, sari roti lagi. Kita lanjutin ya. Jadi here is all my technological stuff. Iron, hair dryer, cables, mouse, tripod, bacon. It's not a technological stuff, right? Jadi kayaknya bukan technological stuff, but random stuffs here. And then the next two is all my tableware. Oh, here's my wall calendar. I got it free from my office. And right down here, that's my picnic stuff. Aku tuh suka banget piknik guys, that's why I have this. And di dalamnya juga ada stikernya, itu motif kotak-kotak putih. Kalau di luar itu namanya gingham, kain gingham, kalian bisa googling aja sih. It's spelled G-I-N-G-H-A-M, gingham. Tapi aku gak tahu itu dari negara mana asal masalahnya, don't ask me ya. Lanjut ke sebelah sini. I'm not really proud of this area actually. Jadi kita bahas aja dari sini. That's my makeup organizer. nothing much here, just aku berusaha bikin ini kelihatan rapi sih sebenarnya. Jadi yang pink taruh atas gitu kan. Terus kebetulan aku baru sadar aku banyak pakai this brand. And what's here, ini kapas, kacamata minus. Terus apa ya, ini random. And nah ini dia the only makeup here. Ini jadi satu-satunya tempat makeup aku, jadi cuma segini guys, cause I'm not really into makeup, so yeah. Jadi daily aku tuh cuma ini, sunscreen and lip tint for my daily, and makeup tuh cuma segini aja tadi. And if you guys wondering how I do my makeup, so here's what I do. Aku ngacanya di sini guys. Ini cermin lemari ya guys. And I'll just pull this out and move it here. Kemudian aku duduknya di situ, ngacanya di situ, and take my makeup there, dan do my makeup here. Simple kan? Simple apa ribet ya? Lagi-lagi soal geser menggeser. Namanya living in a tiny space. Workout dikit-dikit nggak apa-apa lah. Lagian gue begini tiap hari juga nggak kurus-kurus. Curhat. Selanjutnya kita lanjutin ke bagian bawah ini. Itu nggak ada apa-apa sih, jadi aku nggak bahas ya. Oke, langsung ke sini aja. Jadi ini dia dresser aku. Thanks God, it's fit all my clothes. Karena sebelumnya mungkin bisa 2 kali lipat ini, but then I just sebagian aku kasih orang, and sebagian juga ada yang aku pre-love sih. Jadi di atas itu biasanya orang suka kasih barang kan. Kalau aku nanti ujung-ujungnya juga naruh barang di situ. Ujung-ujungnya juga berantakan guys. Nah, then we go to the other side of my dresser. Jadi di pojokan sini itu random sih. Itu raket badminton, terus sapu lidi buat kasur, koper, ini apa, buat masak nasi, dan my dumbbell yang nggak pernah disentuh juga. Alright, now akhirnya kita sampai at the final part of this room tour. Jadi the last part is my bedroom. Let's see it. It's just all white, mulai dari lantainya, temboknya, closetnya, even wastafelnya juga putih semua. So I can put many. Astagfirullahaladzim. Jadi aku bisa taruh beberapa item berwarna di sini karena warnanya netral kan. So I just put a fake plant here and a cute hand wash ya. Aku beli karena ini cute guys, bukan karena butuh sebenarnya. Ya butuh sih, kadang pakai. Dan di sini ada gantungan sama tempelan lucu kayak anak TK. Apalagi ini kayak anak playground. Nggak tahu kenapa, aku suka aja. Dan ini rapi banget guys, semuanya biru. Sengaja banget gitu guys. Padahal hari-hari juga nggak gini, biasanya berantakan. And here's fake plain too. Biar kelihatan seger aja. Sebenarnya kalau mau seger sih mandi aja, ya nggak sih? And at this corner, it's all pink stuff. Di sini juga all my pink stuff. Ngomong-ngomong ini alat pel ya guys, dan mopnya di situ. Jadi biasanya aku jemur di luar, tapi kalau udah kering aku balikin lagi. Oh ya, aku mau bahas ini juga. Jadi kan sebenarnya bolong, tapi aku taruh mika gitu guys. Jadi bisa buat tempat naruh cairan-cairan pembersih di atas sana. It's very practical, right?
So I think that's all about everything in my room. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment. And finally, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!